You might be amazed by just how much you can do with text alone. Typographic videos frequently trend and go viral, and with the help of a template for After Effects, you can create them too. Welcome to the 10 best kinetic typography templates for Adobe After Effects. They make it easy to create a typographic video of your own without conquering the steep learning curve of After Effects. The templates that you'll see in this section are from Envato Elements, an all-you-can-download library for creatives. And what pairs well with kinetic typography? Well, upbeat audio and sound effects, and those are included with your Elements subscription too. Open a template, add your text, drop in some sounds, and you'll be finished in no time. First up is the flat kinetic typography template. It's a classic illustration that less really can be more. Even this sample video you see shows that simple text on solid backgrounds is enough to hold attention. Flat doesn't mean boring in this case, as the template is designed for maximum action. You'll even find a tutorial included that shows you how to use this one. With so many animations included, the Kinetic Typography pack is a top choice thanks to its flexibility. I really like that the structure for this is modular, so that it's easy to rearrange and chain together animations like a storyboard. It's flexible in every sense of the word because it's easy to customize, tweaking the duration of your animations easily. It has its own take on bouncy animated text, and HD Kinetic Typography is another template that's perfect for the occasion. You won't need any extra plugins or presets to use this template effectively. It's another option that's easy to work with so that you can spend more time putting together your narrative to match. Switching gears, let's check out another great marketplace to source the best kinetic typography templates for After Effects. Envato Market is an a la carte, pay-as-you-go option that can help you control your costs. You can purchase a single template and immediately start using it. Market also includes options to purchase low-cost audio tracks to pair with your kinetic typography video. Let's check out top templates from Envato Market. A whiteboard is a great way to create an explanatory video, but don't think you have to find one to film. With the help of the Kinetic Whiteboard template, your text will come to life like you're watching it in real time. Combine it with the included icons to create a highly educational video. Kinetic Typography is another nice choice for a modern motion text video. This one has its own take on the format with some nice depth that makes the text feel three-dimensional. It's another option that includes full color controls for easy adjustments to fit what you have in mind. It's modular so that it's easy to use your favorite parts from the starter design selections. It might share a name with our prior piece, but this next kinetic typography has a totally separate set of animations for motion text. You have more than 40 title animations that only need simple customizations. Use these for titles, lower thirds, captions, or annotations, and it includes a PDF walkthrough to get you up to speed. The best way to maximize your value is to download a flexible template like the Kinetic Builder Kinetic Typo animation. This package includes a custom panel that makes it easy to create, modify, and perfect your motion text. For the highly creative animator, you're going to love the incredible number of combinations you can generate with this single download. Kinetic typography can stand on its own, but this template gives you even more to work with. Use the dynamic shapes and upbeat transitions to really create a full-featured typographic video in After Effects with no other resources needed. It's really customizable down to every detail so that you'll always have the freedom to match it to what you have in mind. What about a hand-painted effect? Well, you don't have to learn how to use a brush yourself to create a motion text animation like this in After Effects. With Brush Kinetic Typography, you can bring an artisanal view without ever leaving the app. There are over 15 brush styles to maximize your value. Perfect for an intro or even a full feature video, watch your text in motion with the touch of an artist. Last but certainly not least is another package titled Kinetic Typography that doesn't disappoint on variety. 35 title options are ready for use, each with a different animated style. Easily adjust the duration, color scheme, and use no extra plugins in the process. It's ready to use for great kinetic text. Remember that Envato Elements and Market both have the key to producing typographic videos in no time flat. Open the templates, add your text, and tweak it just the way you had in mind. Both marketplaces also have audio options to create an upbeat typographic video. You'll be ready to export your finished product in no time. Be sure to like our video, and while you're at it, subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel, where you'll find countless other content roundups and tutorials to help you create your own projects. These will help you create your best finished typographic video yet. Thanks for watching.